I wanted to go over how to create a mockup. So I go to the website Graphic Burger, and these mockups are all free. Double check on copyright if you are going to use this for commercial purposes. So then I just go and download this mockup. It's a water bottle mockup. Once it's all downloaded, click into the Photoshop file and it'll open the mock for you. So here's the mock. To put my own design on this mock, I'm going to click that little white box in the Layers tab, and it's going to open a new window with the design. Here I'm just copying my design in Illustrator, Control C, and then Control V into Photoshop. So it'll just paste there, and I'm pasting it as a smart object. And then I'm going to resize it. So I have to click Shift to make sure it resizes the same size as the design and doesn't stretch it. And then I'm just going to hide the original design that was underneath. So here's my design in that window. Then just click Control S to save and go back to the other window, and it will be in Photoshop on that mock. And then if you want to change the color of the mocks, click that color square in the layers and then go to color overlay. And then you can go in and change the color of the background of your mock, which is so fun. So I just did this really bright pink color, and then I'm exporting it as a PNG, and that is the final design. Hope that helps.